Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to delete a file in InfinityFree. This is InfinityFree.com website, and first I will log in to my account by filling my email address and password and click on sign in after the Cloudflare verification. Click on your desired web hosting and click on this file manager orange button. You are now in the file manager app, so locate the file or the files you want to delete. Mine are in this folder called benstestinghosting.com. Go to the htdocs folder to see your website files. These are the two files I want to delete. I will select them using Command on MacBook or using Control on or Shift on PCs. With the right button of your mouse, click on one of your files that you want to delete and select delete from the list. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Infinity Free online course today for free. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Infinity Free, how to manage your website inside this free hosting, also how to manage your domain and SSL certificate, file management and FTP, how to manage your WordPress website in Infinity Free, and also advanced configurations like these ones. To get all of this for free today, plus these courses, and also the upcoming free courses on my university, all you need to do is to visit university-bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Confirm your deletion, and this is how to delete a file or files in Infinity Free. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.